We're on day 1 of our 7-day cruise for Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Sea. We're going from Austin to Galveston. Ruben's hauling ass in our rental car Honda? Hyundai, to be correct, Hyundai. So we'll see when we get there. Just loaded the ship, we put all of our crap down, and now we're going to the fitness center. Are you excited to work out?
Not really.
It's gonna be so cool. Get excited. Very successful workout in our luxurious gym behind us. How'd you feel about that, Junior?
Okay.
Nice and sweaty now?
It was hot.
What are we gonna do next?
Figure out how to reserve some fancy dinner.
We're going to dinner! Food! So we're gonna call it early. That way we can be up ready to go tomorrow. Here's how we're gonna finish the night.